is going by Dan. I'm for checking out Fit for an Autopsy. Love that name. It never gets old. Murder in the First. This comes from 666. What's going on, homie? If you guys have any questions, always just hit me up. Alright, I've heard, I think 4? I think 4 is the number. It could be 5, though. Fit for an Autopsy songs. The best one being Far From Heaven. In my opinion, the best one's Far From Heaven. Hellions. Oh, brutal. Warfare. Ugh. I think another one, Shadows and Echoes. I think that's the name of it. Carnage! But Far From Heaven is the best one. Check out Murder in the First. And also, I think I know this guy's lyric videos. He's done it for like multiple bands. They're always, this is how you should do lyric videos. So instead of it just being written out there, it's kind of like artistic. It's usually like ink coming up, doing the word, or like blood splatter. You know. Make it entertaining. There it is. Yep. That's an opening line for you. Dear devil, we tried to move them. We had all the facts. They just overruled us. Eyes of the gods, they say in the mirror. Self-inflicted prisoners. A lover and another return. Lord forever. Take everything from them. They are nothing but a pile of possessions. And they underneath the rubble. Lost in their selfish transgressions. Careless. Bring nations. Curse and past. Will to wasteland. Murder in the first. Bring a nation. Curse and past. Will to wasteland. Murder in the first. Mental pleasures and prescription poppers. Sing to. And call me when you number when your voice again. Workshops like flawless fucking vengeance with your hands cut off. Twisting in a foolish fucking rhythm. I'll tell to look away. I want you to watch the world die. I gave up on living. Wish it all gets death aside. I love these lyrics, man. These are great. This might be their best lyric song so far. So I'm glad they didn't just do a normal music video. This one deserved to have the lyrics pop up so you can catch them all. This is very well written. And he makes a lot of good points. But I gave up on living. We should all give death a try. Damn. He wants the child not to look away? Damn. Halos and Horns. That would be a fire song title. Or album title. Could even be a band name. But probably album title fits best. Halos and Horns. That's pretty nice. Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah. Talk.
was awesome, man. Yeah, I'm so glad they made that into a lyric video. That was sweet because you can catch everything perfectly that way. Sometimes you're jamming, and especially with like death metal, deathcore, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes you jam so hard you miss some lines. Caught all of them. That was great. Again, it wasn't just death metal for the sake of carnage and destruction. It actually had a message and made some decent points, and he not entirely wrong. A little satanic, yeah, but not entirely wrong here. He made some points. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Dear Devil, I fucking quit. You can have this world because it's a piece of shit. I believe that's William Shakespeare from, isn't that Romeo and Juliet? No? Hamlet? Maybe it's Hamlet. See, just good writing, man. Good stuff. It doesn't all have to be Shakespeare. Or sometimes it can just be fit for an autopsy. Well written song. Good stuff. I like that, man. I didn't even know they were gonna turn what was it, Halos and Horns into the full. That was the whole bridge was based around Halos and Horns. I just caught it the first time he said it. Like that sounds awesome. That should be like something, like an album, a title or something. It just sounds too good to the ear. They turned it into the whole basis of the bridge of the song. Good stuff, man. Frankly, Murder in the First of the options of song titles here is probably the worst one. It's not a bad song title name, but after listening to it, this probably should have been called either Halos and Horns or Dear Devil. Both of those are better song titles. But it does work either way. Good stuff. Let me know what you guys think down below. Fit for an autopsy. Do you know of my list of queued up requests from people? There's more fit for an autopsy than you'd expect. You guys got some fans out here. I think there's like 4 or 5. There's more than I would think from a band that's pure evil. No, pure deathcore usually doesn't get the most requests. They got a few from like various people. None are from it's not even from the same person. It's from like 4 or 5 different people. I like that. It means you're doing something right. If you are still here, you are a real one. Dear Devil. And just gangster too. When he screams Dear Devil, the way the beat comes in,